How many EQ do I have? I'm a very empathetic individual, though it only really applies to evil people. I'm one of those evil people person types. What's in it for you, Rexist? Have you ever wanted worse vision? Or legs that don't work? Or the inability to properly digest food? Joining GUI will give you all and more. Can I read Shakespeare in its original Klingon? Of course I can. Oh wait, are most people not able to do that? Shame.
Bruh.
Can I list all the sound effects I can play? Most are just standard, such as usher screams, heartbeats, sword clashing, evil cackling, glass breaking, and GEI members dying. Nothing too out of the ordinary. Please play all of them. When you say please, how could I possibly refuse? But in all seriousness, I cannot play them all at once or my computer may combust. That would be bad. Or maybe good. Not too sure. That one was my favorite, Pipes. I could listen to Pipes all day. Such a charming sound. I've been trying to get my friends to listen to Pipes, but they just don't understand why it's good. Sucks to be them. Kilo_the_green_minstrel, you hate Pipes? I would recommend you keep it down if I were you. The Pipes are listening, and they may or may not appear out of the woodwork. The last person who said they hated Pipes is now being fed through said Pipes. Happy birthday, Moonleaf! Good luck playing War Thunder, you'll need it. I should have a diary like my sister has a blog. I have a diary. Just yesterday I wrote down that I was feeling a bit evil. Today I wrote down that I wanted to melt ice cream in my hands. I'm just a very ordinary girl with very ordinary problems. Can I sell you my diary for 5 cookies, Master Links? 5 is not enough for even a look at the front cover. 500 minimum for only 1 page. You all really think I won't? I will break glass just to prove my point. Are you all intimidated now? How many cutes do you want to drop in the chat now? Mechanics TW owes me 100 subs for calling me stinky. Until that time, I will play this meow sound effect at every opportunity. Cat spin. I repeat, cat spin. Adrenaline rushes through my veins and all I can do is spin, twirl, spin, twirl, spin, twirl. The room is swaying, spinning, twirling. I think I'm gonna be sick. Can someone help me get off this dizzying high? Wow, everyone's still calling me stinky. Maybe I am a little, but how can I not be surprised when my chat is full of disgusting pests?